found some amazing stocks to invest my money using Google Bard. So I asked Google Bard which 10 sectors of Indian stock market will grow exponentially for the next 15 years. And we got a list of all the 10 sectors including IT, pharma, healthcare, e-commerce and many more. Then we wrote our next prompt to filter out all the companies with moats. Name some Indian companies among these sectors having their moats. Moat is basically a competitive advantage that makes it difficult for the other companies in the same sector to snatch customers or market share from a company. So we got a list of companies from those 10 sectors having their moats. The companies were Infosys, Wipro, Tata Power, ITC and many more. Now to get best of 3 companies among these, we wrote, it's interesting, watch closer. Which 3 companies among these have grown their profits and sales more than 50% and are not even overvalued? And we got Cipla, Flipkart and Infosys. Flipkart is not listed, so it's out. Infosys grew its profits by 53% and sales by 25%. And Cipla is a pharmaceutical MNC which grew its profits by 40% and its sales by 30%. So this is how you can also use AI tools to get amazing stocks to invest in. If you want more videos like these, do tell us in the comment section and don't forget to follow for more such content.